Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Here are the negative impacts of love relationships on health. Emotional turmoil. Constant conflicts and emotional stress in relationships can lead to emotional turmoil, contributing to feelings of anxiety and unease. Physical health deterioration. Stress from problematic relationships can translate into physical health issues, such as increased blood pressure, weakened immune function, and even cardiac problems. Mental health struggles. Unhealthy relationships often correlate with mental health challenges like depression, anxiety, and reduced self-esteem, impacting one's overall mental well-being. Isolation and loneliness. Toxic relationships can lead to social isolation or feeling lonely within the relationship itself, which adversely affects mental health and exacerbates emotional distress. Physical symptoms. Distress in relationships can lead to physical symptoms like headaches, digestive issues, and sleep disturbances, reflecting the toll on both mental and physical well-being. Reduced immunity. Chronic stress from troubled relationships can weaken the immune system, making individuals more susceptible to illnesses and infections. Increased risk of chronic conditions. Prolonged stress from strained relationships may contribute to the development or exacerbation of chronic health conditions such as cardiovascular diseases or autoimmune disorders. Emotional distancing. Negative relationships might lead to emotional detachment or distancing from friends and family, impacting one's overall support network and mental health. Psychological impact on self-worth. Unhealthy relationships can undermine one's self-esteem and self-worth, fostering negative self-perception and impacting mental health. Limited personal growth. Toxic relationships might impede personal growth and self-development due to the constant emotional strain and stress, hindering progress and fulfillment. Please, try as much as you can to stay away from an unhealthy relationship. Subscribe to my channel for more.